Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Dodge Ram 1500 headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have your new headlight assembly on hand. Before starting, park your truck on a level surface and turn off the engine for safety. This simple guide will help you get the job done efficiently. Now, let's get that old headlight out. Open your truck's hood and find the two 10mm bolts holding the headlight in place. Use your ratchet and 10mm socket to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel snug, but a steady pull will release it from its clips. With the old headlight out, it's time to disconnect the wiring. Carefully unclip the electrical connectors from the back of the old headlight bulbs. There might also be some retaining clips or covers to remove. Once everything is disconnected, take your new headlight assembly and connect all the electrical plugs. Ensure each connection is secure and fully seated. Finally, let's install your new headlight. Carefully slide the new assembly back into its mounting location, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not over-tightening. Before you finish, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Now, turn on your truck and test both the high and low beams, along with your turn signals, to confirm everything works perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.